Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got all the wiring done. We test fitted the wheel and the liner. Gonna have to do a little bit of trimming or something to the plastic to make it fit. So in the meantime, I'm gonna mount up the intercooler. I'm not really doing this kit in order how the instructions say. I'm just doing what I know I can get done in a decent amount of time. So I'm going to throw the intercooler in today. I'm probably going to start removing the exhaust, get the headers out of there, and then maybe mount up the driver's side manifold. We still got to do the AC line, so we can't put the passenger side manifold in just yet. But we'll start knocking out what we can while we can, and try to get this thing done before hopefully the spring gets here. So hopefully it gets here early. I wouldn't be complaining. But yeah, we'll get to work. Thanks for coming and watching the videos. Appreciate it. And we'll start knocking this out. The brackets that come with the kit were a little too wide for mine. They wouldn't slide in there really. So I had to trim these down a little bit. But they just bolt right to the crash bolts. So as you can see, both sides. That side's was a little pointy, still is. I don't want it already poked through the wire or through the tape. But yeah, it'll mount up into the crash bar bolts right onto your intercooler. I did have to remove these, so I don't know if you can see it. The some of the ducting around the radiator, I had to remove that so it would fit in there. We got the intercooler all done. I ended up taking the plastic clips out and then just securing it up here with a couple of zip ties, and seems holding just fine. Grinded down the point on there some more, then put the clip back on to the bolt, and she's in. I wasn't able to reuse any of the ducting or anything. I think that side I was able to leave this on, so there's clearance to get the piping and stuff on. But on this side, you have literally no room. So I ended up just leaving it off, and we'll run without it. I'm sure it won't make a difference. It's not really in the instructions that On3 sends, but you have to replace the 15 through 17 top mount kits. You got to replace the alternator with the think it's the 11 to 14 alternator, Boss 302 or whatever is the one I bought. I got it on Summit Racing for like 200 bucks or something. The whole performance kit. So here's the kit. Comes with a Boss 302 belt. Don't think we'll be needing that. Comes with a new pulley. And then it comes with the alternator. And the reason we need this alternator is because it moves the, if you see when you mount it in here, it moves the connector from going back to right here, so it doesn't interfere with the turbo manifold. As you can see the difference, that's the difference right there. That's the whole reason we need this alternator, just so this doesn't interfere with the downpipe, or not the downpipe, the turbo manifold. So yeah, we'll get this thrown back together and then probably wrap it up for today. So yeah, let's keep working. So today, pretty much done working. I got the intercooler in, as you know, and then I finished up getting the Boss alternator in. It's actually smaller, a lot smaller than the stock one. That's crazy. But yeah, for the harness down here that connects to the alternator, there's two push pins you're gonna have to pop off to give yourself some slack in the wire, so you can pop it off. I don't know if you'll be able to see it down in there, but that white tan clip, whatever you want to call it, that one you got to pop off, and then there's one more that goes over the bolt that slips over it, kind of like the gray one right here. Once you pop those off, you'll get enough slack. You could put the cord, or put the cable back onto the alternator and tighten it down. But yeah, that's all we got done today. Thanks for watching. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. I might actually get this done quicker than I thought I would. So, that'll be awesome. And I'm pretty sure I have to take the alternator off again when I do the oil pump gears. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I'm waiting for, once it warms up a little bit, we'll knock out the oil pump gears and hopefully be able to tune this and then drive it. So yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.